Hey guys, welcome to the design phase. So you'll notice that we are going to take the pace way down. And our design phase does last 2 weeks. That's not a mistake. So we will be in this phase through June 23rd. And it's really important that you just spend that time, because what's going on now is that you have all the information about the learners, you have all the information about kind of what needs to happen with the class, and now you're putting those together and you're sequencing and organizing and thinking, basically creating a map for what that course would look like. And this is important because if you do this well and you go slow here and really are mindful, once you get to that development phase, that happens very quickly. So it's really key. This is where you're really aligning all the information that you've gathered up until this point. Now you might wonder, why aren't we doing like rapid prototyping? We talked about that. Sean shared a great article about the agile process, and the reason that we're not doing that and we're going in this slow fashion and this methodical linear fashion is that I want you to be able to understand each phase in its entirety. So it's kind of similar to like when you find out directions to go to a place from your house, and you follow those directions and you get it nailed, and now you really understand the territory. You understand if there's tolls, you understand all of those things. And then you can start taking shortcuts or working your, zigzagging back and forth, because you know that's actually faster, and that's where maybe they want you to end up on one side of the building instead of entering from another side of the building. So if you go this other way, you can get to that side of the building more quickly. It's kind of like that. So once we're just getting that down, getting the process down, really strengthening our understanding and our foundation, so that in the real world, if you need to follow a process more like Agile, then you can do that. If you have questions along the way, let me know. Have a great day.